Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making muffin bread pudding. Now, I have never made bread pudding before, and this is going to be a little different than regular bread pudding, I guess, because I'm using muffins. I found some various recipes online, and I'm kind of just taking a little bit from each one and making a muffin bread pudding because I have all these packs of tiny muffins that are getting old. They're a little dry and they need to be taken care of. Rather than throwing them away, because I don't like to waste food, I'm going to turn them into something else. This should be a fun recipe and hopefully it turns out good. Let's get started. First thing that I'm going to do is open up all these little muffins. I'm going to crumble them as I put them in my loaf pan that has been greased. Now, I don't need them to be like tiny crumbles. I just need them to be not big pieces of muffin. I am going to be using about 20 little ones because there's 4 in a pack. So I'm using 5 packs. The recipes that I found generally called for 6 full-size muffins. There's about 3 baby muffins to a full-size muffin. So I'm going to be about 2 baby muffins over. But these are, you can see, they're a little dry. So they definitely need to be dealt with. And there's my crumbled up muffins. Now I am using, these are they're called party cake or something. So they're funfetti, basically, muffins. You can use any muffin you want. You could use blueberry, whatever. It doesn't matter. Got me a mixing cup here. I'm going to add 2 cups of evaporated milk. You could use regular milk. I have got 2 eggs. Uh-oh. I probably kind of did this backwards and should have put my eggs in and beat them up first and then mixed in my milk, but that's okay. I think it'll be all right. I'm going to just mix that all together real nice. Yeah, it'll work fine. I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and I'm supposed to use 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, and I do not have quite enough. It's gonna be more like 1/4. Close enough, I guess. And then I'm going to mix all that up. Then just add my mixture to my breadcrumbs, or my muffin crumbs, I guess. Just want to make sure that goes all over. Should be seeping in nicely, I believe. Now, if you wanted to, you could add extra almonds, actual almonds. You could add raisins, anything like that. You would add now. Yeah, that's pretty juicy. I'm hoping that's enough crumb for liquid. Okay, and then I have 2 tablespoons of melted butter that I'm just going to pour over the top randomly here. I am baking this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees, probably 40 to 45 minutes. When it's done, I'll let you see what it looks like. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!